Good morning to all of you. Yesterday, we are having one problem which is not completed. So I think up to the balance sheet, the accounting notes and the recording in the balance sheet we are made, and the income statement, account notes and the recording is remaining. So in the balance sheet again, some figures which are comes from the income statement that we can added after completion of the income statement. The balance sheet is not still completed. Some adjustments, some figures which comes from the income statement that we can add in the balance sheet. So in the income statement, the accounting notes I will read, and accordingly you can start the recording. The revenue from operation, income statement, first heading we are given revenue. Under that, income from operation, right there. Can you listen me?
हो सर.
Revenue from operation. Give the note number in the note column. What is the note number?
7.
Revenue from operation, note number is given. What is that?
7.
7. So one by one we are now recording the number accounting notes sequentially. So number 7, the total of revenue from operation is 4,30,000. Inner column 4,30,000. Then one adjustment is remaining there, discount. So discount 5,000 is to be received. So debit side we are taken in the other expenses, but credit side balance is there. See the discount. Discount is having two types of balances. One is debit and another is credit. So discount is income from other sources, 5,000. Right in the income statement, other income, after revenue from operation, other income. No need to write the note number. Direct inner column 5,000. 5,000. And then total of both these 4,30,000 and 5,000. Outer column 4,35,000. 4,35,000. Now don't underline it. 4,35,000. Show the arrow to the 4,35,000 as total income or revenue. Total income or revenue. Then expenses, second column, Roman second, we are given in the income statement. In that, the next accounting note is purchases. So write expenses first line, purchases. The total of purchases note is 3 lakh